Hello friends. In this video, I'll show you how to check T-Mobile system status. Check for a network outage. Check network coverage in your area. And contact T-Mobile support for help. Let's get started. 1. Check if T-Mobile is down. If your Mac says no service or the signal is weak, it might be a temporary issue. It could be a network problem, a SIM card, or poor coverage. To check if T-Mobile is having problems, open the browser on your Mac and go to www.t-mobile.com website. Click Contact and Support at the top right, then click Help and Support. At the top of the page, click Device Assistance, then scroll down and click Troubleshooting. Now scroll down to the bottom and click Coverage and Signal. Then click on Signal Issues, No Service. This page will help you understand what's going on and how to fix it. 2. Check the coverage map. If the network is fine, your area may have weak coverage. Go to this T-Mobile webpage. The link is given in the video description. And scroll to the bottom. Click on Coverage Map. Enter your address or area zip code. The map will show you what signal is available in your area, like 4G, 5G, or Starlink satellite coverage. 3. Contact T-Mobile support. If everything looks okay, but your phone still isn't working, it's time to contact support. Go to the webpage, click Contact and Support, then Help and Support. Scroll down and click Contact Us. You'll see options like Customer Care, Technical Support, and Internet Support. Alternate ways to use DownDetector. You can also go to downdetector.com and search for T-Mobile. If many people report problems, it might be a more significant outage. You can also check T-Mobile's Twitter page at twitter.com/T-Mobile for live updates and official announcements about maintenance or downtime. And that's it. Now you know what to do if your T-Mobile service isn't working. If this video helped, please like, share, and subscribe to Free Tech Guide for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.